In this video, we will learn how to tell the time in English. There are two common ways to tell the time in English. The first way is, say the minutes first and then the hour. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4:05. What time is it? It's 4:10. What time is it? It's 4:15. What time is it? It's 4:20. What time is it? It's 4:25. What time is it? It's 4:30. What time is it? It's 5:25. What time is it? It's 5:20. What time is it? It's 4:45. What time is it? It's 5:10. What time is it? It's 5:05. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. O'clock. 5 past. 10 past. Quarter past. 20 past. 25 past. Half past. 25 to. 22. Quarter to. 10 to. 5 to. The second way is, say the hour first and then the minutes. What's the time? It's 4:05. What's the time? It's 4:25. What's the time? It's 4:30. There are some words which are used to tell the time. O'clock, a quarter, half, past, 2, quarter past, quarter to, half past, hour, minute. Asking for the time. If we want to ask for the time right now, we can say, what time is it? What is the time? What's the time? A more polite way to ask for the time, especially from a stranger, is, could you tell me the time, please? If we want to ask at what time a specific event will happen, we can say, what time? Or when? For instance, what time does the bus leave from Surabaya? When does the ceremony begin? We use it is or it's to respond to the questions that ask for the time right now. For instance, it is 10 o'clock. It's 9:30. We use at plus time when giving the time of a specific event. For instance, the flight arrives at 4:20. I wake up at 5 every morning. The ceremony begins at 7 o'clock. AM or PM. We don't normally use the 24-hour clock in English. We use AM for the morning. We use PM for the afternoon and night. Like, I go to work at 6:30 a.m. I go to bed at 9 p.m. Well, do you get the point of the lesson? If yes, let's do an exercise. What time is it? Write your answer in the comment box of this video. Thanks for watching. Jangan lupa support channel ini dengan cara subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya.